Yeah, ow, 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 Annie. Hey, 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 woof woof, little woof woof, little Miss Woof Woof. Yeah, that hurt. Ow. Hey, stop eating my hair. You're on video. Right when I said that, she went. Hey, what? She loves the belly wubbins. Hi there. Hey, that's your blanket. Hey, I'm gonna put you on restrictions on your blanket. Oh crap! If you keep chewing on it, I'm gonna put you on restrictions on your blanket if you keep chewing on it. Yeah, you see this blanket? Yeah, your blanket. I'm gonna put you on restrictions. Oh. Oh yeah, I gotta put you on restrictions. Because you wouldn't lay down. Or, well, you kept chewing. Say hi to the audience. Just a random ow. Just a random dog video. Hey, that just happens to be my hat. Yeah, the life of having a dog. Okay. So fun. Hey, can you, lay back down? I just had to put your blanket up here until you know. Tomorrow you can have it again. Tomorrow night. Which tomorrow night you won't be able to sleep in here because I won't be here. I'll be at my dad's tomorrow. You sad? Yeah, you. Hi, dear. Puppy.